Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Laura and today I am planning in my Hobonichi. It is the cousin, it is the Techo for 2020, and so it's the full year planner and I am planning in my days. I'm planning for next week, today's little Friday, so I haven't done my Saturday yet, but these days are pretty simple. Excuse me. They just get used for to-dos and brain dumps, and so I like to make them pretty. I like to add cute stickers because why not? I think this guy is adorable and I can't wait to write on him tomorrow. And I cover up the Japanese just because it's not my thing and I think it's pretty to have something there. So we're gonna do that and just set up my week so that I'm ready to use it. So I'm gonna grab some washi tape. Not sure what we'll use other than I try to use the bigger ones just because it makes it a little bit easier. And if I need to, oops, I can white out the Japanese so it doesn't show through. So let me pick that up. And I saw one more I wanted to grab. That one. So, I think for this one, first day, I'll use this, just because I like what it says. Cherish. I'm gonna wanted to white it out. Oh well. Is what it is now. I think what I'm gonna do is white out the bottom part. And then maybe we just won't put another line of it because I just don't like to, I've been sometimes doing it over the other, but then it covers up the words and I feel like it, I don't know, that looks okay. So we're going to go with that and then go to my next day. I think I'm going to have the same issue. Maybe we'll use that one on Wednesday. Let's use this one. This has been one of my favorite ones too. It's nice and thick. I think I used it quite a bit last week actually. Or maybe it was this week, I don't know. Oops. Alright, we're going to leave that because I am not going to tear that perfectly. Maybe we'll trim it with some scissors. There we go. Okay. So again, I think if you've been following me, you probably know this, but if you haven't, I use this for my to-dos and my brain dumps and things like that. So it works, you know. It gives me a good page to look back at and be like, oh, you know, I didn't have much going on. I was actually traveling that day. Or, you know, I had a small list of things to do. And some days do end up pretty blank. And then sometimes I just try to go back and fill it in with something silly. Like, will it rain? Will it snow? I live in Colorado. I don't know. Can anyone else relate this spring? And then some days I have my to-do lists or brain dumps or thoughts or prayers or, you know, just, yeah. So that's how they get used. If they don't get used that day, I'm not, it doesn't like make me cry. It's okay. You know, no one's perfect and sometimes we just need a day off too. So use your planner the way it serves you best and be okay with that. You don't have to compare yourself to anyone or anything. You can just be you. And that's what I love. I love to be able to be creative and I like to bring that it brings me joy that I have washi tape at the bottom and, you know, whatever written on it. Do you? Okay. Off that soapbox, sorry. I'm gonna use this one here. There we go. I'm gonna use this one again if I can. I kind of like it. Oh, but it does look pretty. just cute, and it has so many fun things. And I cut that off. Sometimes we make mistakes. And I just smile and think happy thoughts. Okay, so the last thing I do is I just write up at the top what the day of the week is. And I use my Mildliners for this. They work pretty well. You do have to let them dry. It's probably the only thing you have to be. Like, I can't smush the page. So I'll write on that page next as it dries. But they do dry pretty quick. And then I have a nice big open spot for brain dumps, prayers, to-dos, you name it. I don't use this as like my personal journaling. I might write stuff down that happens, but I don't do it as like a personal journal. I think that's a great idea. I have my other Hobonichi that I use for journaling, which sometimes I wish I journaled more, but I use so many pictures because I love pictures. So yeah, you gotta find your happy balance, right? Yeah. Let's see what I want to use here. There's and Saturday. What's this color? Oh, that one's kind of bright, but it's pretty. Okay, so yeah, then I leave these sections open for to-dos. You know, I will show you a couple from the past. I did like separate boxes for stuff, and that worked out okay, but I found that this kind of was like too much. I used the week view for that kind of stuff, and so then I switched to just bigger boxes like I was showing you earlier, and now I don't even outline it. I don't know. I think I kind of miss outlining it because I like the colors, so maybe I'll do that next week. But yeah, that's this week, so, or this coming week. So I hope you enjoyed this. Have a blessed day, and we will see you again soon.